Hello and welcome to our video on the International Space Station, or ISS for short. The ISS is one of the most impressive engineering feats in human history, and it's still operational today. In this video, we will explore the history, construction, purpose and cost of the ISS. So let's blast off into space and learn more about this amazing structure. History. The idea for the International Space Station originated in the 1980s when the Soviet Union launched the Mir space station. In 1993, the United States and Russia signed an agreement to collaborate on the construction of the ISS. Other countries later joined the project, including Canada, Japan, and several European nations. Construction. The International Space Station, ISS, was constructed in stages over a period of more than a decade. The first part of the ISS was created in 1998 when the Russian-built Zarya module was launched into space and then attached to the American-built Unity module 2 weeks later. Additional components were added over the next few years, with the final major component, the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer, delivered by the Space Shuttle Atlantis in 2011. Since completion in 2011, rotating crews of astronauts and cosmonauts have occupied the ISS, conducting research and maintenance tasks. In 1998, the first component of the ISS, the Russian-built Zarya module, was launched into space by a Proton rocket. 2 weeks later, the American-built Unity module was launched by the Space Shuttle Endeavour. Unity was then attached to Zarya, creating the first part of the ISS. Over the next few years, additional components were added, including the Russian-built Zvezda module, which was launched in 2000 and served as the station's primary living quarters, and the American-built Destiny laboratory module, which was launched in 2001. The station continued to grow with the addition of more modules, trusses, and solar panels, all of which were delivered by a combination of Russian Soyuz and Progress spacecraft and American space shuttles. In 2011, the Space Shuttle Atlantis delivered the final major component of the ISS, the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer, which is a particle detector designed to search for antimatter and dark matter. Since the completion of the ISS in 2011, the station has been continuously occupied by rotating crews of astronauts and cosmonauts from various countries, conducting scientific research and performing maintenance tasks to keep the station functioning properly. Purpose. The International Space Station, ISS, has multiple purposes and serves as a unique platform for research and exploration in space. Scientific research. The ISS serves as a laboratory for scientists and researchers to conduct experiments in a microgravity environment. These experiments cover a wide range of scientific fields, including biology, physics, chemistry, and astronomy. The microgravity environment allows researchers to study the effects of weightlessness on living organisms, materials, and physical processes, which can provide insights into how these systems work and can help develop new technologies. Technology development. The ISS also serves as a testbed for new technologies, including space propulsion systems, communications technologies, and life support systems. Testing these technologies in the extreme environment of space can help engineers and scientists refine them for use in future space missions, including missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Human spaceflight. The ISS provides a platform for astronauts to live and work in space, conducting experiments, performing maintenance, and gaining experience that will be valuable for future long-duration space missions. The station also serves as a symbol of international cooperation in space, with astronauts from many different countries working together on a daily basis. Education and outreach. The ISS provides a unique opportunity for students and the public to learn about space exploration and the science behind it. The station has been used to conduct educational activities and experiments, and astronauts aboard the station regularly participate in public outreach events. Commercial use. The ISS is also being used for commercial purposes, including research and development of new products and services in a microgravity environment. Companies are using the station to test new technologies, develop new medicines, and conduct experiments that could not be done on Earth. Cost. The cost of the International Space Station, ISS, has been estimated to be over $150 billion, including development, construction, and operation. This cost has been shared by the 5 space agencies involved in the project: NASA, United States, Roscosmos, Russia, JAXA, Japan, ESA, Europe, and CSA, Canada. The construction of the ISS has been a long and complex process, spanning over a decade and involving many missions to transport modules and equipment to the station. The cost of each mission to the ISS varies depending on the spacecraft and launch vehicle used, as well as the payload and crew size. The operating costs of the ISS include maintaining the station's systems and equipment, supporting the crew on board, and conducting scientific research. These costs are also shared among the participating space agencies. Despite its high cost, the ISS has been considered a valuable investment in scientific research and international cooperation in space exploration. The station has provided a unique platform for research and technology development, as well as a symbol of collaboration among nations. It has also paved the way for future space missions and exploration. Life on the ISS. Life on the ISS is a unique experience. Astronauts and cosmonauts live and work on the station for months at a time, conducting scientific experiments, maintaining the station, and performing spacewalks. They must adjust to living in a zero-gravity environment, which can be disorienting at first. The crew also has a spectacular view of Earth from the station's windows, and they can see the sunrise and sunset every 45 minutes. In conclusion, the International Space Station is an incredible achievement of international cooperation and engineering. It is a testament to what we can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. The ISS has allowed us to conduct groundbreaking scientific research in space and has paved the way for future space exploration. We hope that you have enjoyed learning about the International Space Station, and we look forward to seeing what new discoveries it will help us make in the future. Thank you for watching.